How much would you have to spend every month to get 2 design clients? In this video, you'll get a breakdown of the cost and things you have to know before you run ads for your business. And even if you have a small design firm or you have a massive team, the principle applies across all board. Before we get into nitty-gritties and talk about numbers, I have a free guide that I would love to give to you. This guide helps you to run a campaign for your business and get qualified residential and commercial projects. So stick to the end, I'll show how you can get this guide completely for free. Now, Google Ads can sometimes feel like magic. You put money into a machine and you get 1 or 2 qualified jobs. It's very predictable and very scalable. Unlike relying on friends and family for referrals that can be very inconsistent, or having to post on Instagram and get no engagements or inquiries. However, when you have a very small budget for your ads campaign, you make it very hard for Google to optimize your campaign and get you qualified clicks. Now, this can increase your cost per lead, and also you might not get enough clicks, and you might think that the ads does not work at all. But trust me, ads is the best way to get clients for business. It makes so much sense for you to show up exactly when they're looking for you, and that's what Google Ads does for you. If you look at this screenshot right here, this is the search volume for designers in Los Angeles, and every month they get about 1,800 searches. These are not random people. They are those that are in need of a service, and showing up when they're looking for you makes so much sense. Now, before we get into the numbers and understand how much this entire thing costs, sometimes I would love you to understand. Now, it's CPC and CPL. Now, CPC means cost per click. With Google Ads, you don't pay for impressions like Instagram or Facebook. You pay for every single click. And this click can vary based on the time of the day and how many competition you get. Now, if you look at this keyword planner right here, it's a tool from Google that helps me plan my ad campaign. If you look at this keyword I have that says designers near me, it can cost as low as $4 for a single click when things are very low, and as high as $12 when there is so much competition. You have to know your mathematics and know how much you are willing to pay for a single click. It's like an auction. Now, cost per lead. How much would it cost to get one single lead? Now, a lead is not someone that clicks on your ad and browses around. It's someone that clicks on your ad, books a call, and speaks to you. Now, how much does this cost varies on where you stay. And when you stay in places where there's very, very low competition, it can cost very, very low amount of money. But when you stay in a very high-end area that is very expensive, like New York or Miami, it can cost as high as $100 for a single click. Now, there are a couple of things that affect why you or how you convert your clients. Even if you get traffic and clicks and leads, there are things that are very, very important. I have a series video that talks about this, but I'm going to glance through this. And there's speed to lead, landing page, reviews, and past work. Now, speed to lead is how fast can you reply to your lead. Now, in this business, speed is everything. If you can reply to your leads as fast as they come, you can convert them much, much faster. But sometimes you can be very, very busy. You might not have time to get on the phone as soon as possible. There are tools that we have set up like AI chatbot and some other things that can reply to your leads automatically when they click on your ads. There's landing page. A lot of businesses send their clients to their website. And it might seem logical because they spend so much money, websites have so much information, but sometimes it can get very overwhelming. Your landing page is meant to convert your clients to book a call. That's the exact goal of your landing page, nothing else. With your website, there are so many things that are not really important, like about you and other things. Now, reviews and past work. Your reviews are so much important. The more reviews you have on your Google business page, the more people are more likely to trust you. Now, designing is a thing that is a conscious effort. You have to see that you've done it in the past and you have good taste and style. And your past work can showcase that off. Now, there are general concessions to conversion rate. Now, for this video, I would imagine that you are a designer and you stay in New York City. Now, the average cost per lead, how much to get one single lead, is around $80 to $120. And if you have a 10% conversion rate from 20 leads, that means every 10 leads you get, you can close one lead. And when you have 20 leads in a month, you can close 2 clients. Now, this conversion rate varies based on different statistics, as I mentioned earlier before. The more you have this dialed in, you have a very great speed to this system, a great landing page, you have great reviews, you have great testimonials, it's easier to increase your conversion rate for your business. Now, the mathematical aspect. Now, to understand how much you have to spend on your ads campaign, this helps my clients a lot. It is cost per lead. That's how much one single lead costs and how many leads you want to get. If you get 20 leads in a month and your cost per lead is about $100, That's about $200 you spend on marketing every month. Now, based on the average conversion I've seen with my past client and even in marketing in general, a 10% conversion rate, if you have 20 leads, that means you're getting about 2 clients every month. It makes so much effort to spend $200 a month on marketing and get 2 clients. And the minimum job out there can be as low as $10,000 or even higher than that. If you're spending $2,000 a month on marketing and getting 2 jobs, that's fantastic. If you have a bigger team and you want more lead, I said it earlier that Google Ads can feel like magic. The more money you put into your system, the more leads you get. So if you spend more money on your ads campaign, you are sure to get more leads. Before you get more leads, you have to ensure that your systems is made intact. You have to have a great speed to lead system, a great landing page, a great reviews and testimonials. The more these are dialed in, the easier for you to convert. You can increase the conversion rate to as high as 20% or even more. This is what we help our clients do in their business. Now, there are various things that affect your budget. Before we get into that, if you want to book a call with me to help you set up your campaign, we'll give you 15 qualified residential and commercial clients every month. Click the link below and book a call with me and we can talk. Now let's get back to the video. Now these are the various things that affect your ad budget. When you target so many keywords, you make it very hard for your ads campaign to be optimized the best way. If you go to this keyword planner right here, for Los Angeles, these are the various keywords that are available. And if you try to rank for everything, it makes it so much harder for you to get the right clients. The first thing we do is that we copy all these keywords into a Google Sheet and we refine them with ChatGPT and specify what exactly we want to rank for. And this helps our campaign in so much better way. And the next thing that can clear your budget is having broad match. And when you have broad match, you target very broad keywords that are popular but are not very search intensive. It can be from cheap clients or DIY guys, and you don't want that. You have to use phrase match and exact match. Now, having no negative keywords or location can really drain your campaign. If you look at this tool called SEMrush right here, this is the search volume for interior designers in Los Angeles, and it has about 1,800 every month. And majority of this volume comes from India. Imagine a lot of your clicks are coming from India. You can't convert these clients. So what we do is that we know these areas and we add that to our campaign and exclude them from seeing our ads. Now, only those in US can only see our ads. If you go back to this video now, there, send them to your home page. When you send them to your website, it is very hard to convert. A landing page is much better. And the last thing is quitting before 90 days. It's not, you have to have patience for this, for you to convert. Now, if you want to get the best results, you have to give it time, go to understand your ads and show your ads to the right people. Now, that's exactly what I have to do so far. If you want to have a call with me, there's a link and book a call with me. I'm going to talk in more details. All right, bye.